Hi and welcome to Law App. This is a brief training video on how to complete a trust payment in the Law App system. First, I'm going to go into Trust on the left menu, and then I'm going to choose the left menu item called Trust Payments. I can easily see the last few transactions that I've completed, and then I can press Add Payment at the top right. I'm going to make this payment out to Hardy Group, and the description is Settlement Monies. If I want to use this description again, I can say Add to Pay. That means it will add this as a standard description that I can choose from in the future to save me typing it again and again. If I'm only using this as a once-off, or I want it to be more detailed, then I can simply not add that to the autocomplete. Though after adding an autocomplete, I can add more information. It is an electronic funds transfer, and I have some of the Hardy Group details from the contact area. So someone has partly filled this in the contact area, so I can go finish that. If you do fill out the bank account details on a contact, then when you select that contact from the payable list, it will automatically insert those client details, those bank account details. You do not have to make a receipt or a payment payable to a person from the contact list. If you just want to type any name that is relevant, you can override the selection from the contact list. I don't really need to fill in any more data. The date issued is fixed, and then I can press Save. The rest of that information will fill in automatically as I progress. The next thing I need to do is fill out what file code I'm going to be making this trust payment out on. I'm going to do it on the Miles Hardy divorce, and the amount is going to be for $500. As you can see, the settlement monies and the Hardy Group details have all pulled down from the header of the transaction, and when I'm ready, I can press the Save button. Once I've checked all of my details, I can finalize and save. If I exit or print, I will be locked from making any further changes to this receipt. I can press the print if I want to, save to file, print, email, or send it to PDF, and then exit. I can simply just go to Trust Payments and have a look at that list if I like, or move on to my next task. Don't forget that pressing the home button takes you back to the dashboard at any time. So as a refresh, that's Trust and Trust Payments. You can enter a trust payment through a file on the Trust Financials area, and that is a different training video. Thanks for your time today, and I hope this has been helpful. Let us know if you need any assistance on our support desk at Law App.